In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription using a web browser on your computer or laptop. This works on Windows, Mac, and Chromebook. First, open your web browser and go to netflix.com, then sign in to your Netflix account. Once you're signed in, click your profile icon in the top right corner. Then select Account from the menu. Once you're on your account page, click Manage Membership. Scroll down until you find at the bottom Cancel Membership. Click it. You'll be given an option to change plan, pause for a month, or cancel. You may have to scroll down a bit. Click Cancel. Click Finish Cancellation. And that's it. There is an undo cancel request, but we're not going to click that. You can scroll down and give them a reason or multiple reasons why you cancelled your subscription. Once you've done that, click Done. And that's that. You'll now see red text giving you the exact date the membership ends. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.